Hey guys, this is Nate with Eurofed. Let me tell you about what we got going on because we are rolling. Just wrapped up a 2019 Aventador S, full titanium exhaust. It changed the entire car. Our fabricator Collins really hooked this one up. Titanium from Stainless Bros and Collins Dimes made it amazing. That beautiful V10 supercharged R8 you've seen was provided by Formula One. Little quick PPI in and out, they called me. I was able to get in immediately. Just wrapped up my boy Brooks's 2019 Maybach S560. Did a liquid moly oil service, front and rear pads and rotors, as well as a brake flush. From service to performance, there's no better place to be than Eurofed Automotive.